a blood orange Negroni. So you can use regular orange juice too, or you can leave the oranges out altogether and just make a Negroni. I've got no problem with that. But I love the color of it. It's so dark red, and I think it's going to make a nice little color thing happening with the drink.
I agree with you. Beautiful.
So a Negroni is a simple drink to make. You build it right in the glass, doing about 1.5 ounces of gin, any gin you like, and the same amount, 1.5 ounces of Campari, which we've discussed Campari. It is a bitter, an Italian bitter, basically. It sort of tastes like the most bitter grapefruit you've ever eaten. And it's definitely a bit of an acquired taste, but I love it. And if you make it in a Negroni, the next ingredient softens down some of those bitter notes a little bit and kind of makes it a little bit easier to drink if you're not used to it. But I just love Campari. Campari and soda is a great thing. So we're doing sweet vermouth, half of that amount of everything else in the glass. So that's going to be 3/4 of an ounce.
Half a jigger shot, yep.
Right. So you got 1 part, half part. And that's the drink, basically. But we're going to zhuzh it up, as Rachel likes to say, with a little bit of blood orange juice, freshly squeezed.
That'll help balance it and sweeten it as well.
Yeah. And I'm going to add about 1/2 ounce. Yeah, it's going to definitely balance it out, make it even.
And it deepens the
more
color.
sweeter.
It's so pretty. It's
really
such a
is.
beautiful drink for fall and winter and the holidays. It's just a gorgeous. And honey, tell them about the Negroni. It's like the signature welcome mat in
Yeah,
Italy.
you know, there's not a lot of cocktails in, Italians mostly drink wine because they have really good wine. So they don't have a huge cocktail culture there, although it's starting to really take off, especially in Rome, some of the bigger cities. But the Negroni has been their signature welcoming cocktail. When you go to someone's house or to a restaurant, you have a Negroni to start, and it's just part of Italian culture.
Part of the culture.
And now we're gonna just, as a little garnish, I'm gonna twist over the top a little blood orange zest, just a little peel. And I have this thing called a channel knife. You can use just a regular vegetable peeler if you'd like. But just when you zest it, aim it over the glass so you can see the oils actually come out and get expressed into the drink, which adds really even more delicious blood orange flavor.
Depth of flavor.
Yeah, it's those little things. Then I'm going to give that a little stir. And I'm stealing some another garnish. This is totally unnecessary, unneeded, but Rachel, don't tell her, I stole some of her edible flowers.
I buy them all the time from Chef's Garden. They just make me happy.
I'm going to put
especially in the winter.
I'm going to put a few of those in there. Just, again, you don't need this, but I mean, why not?
But it's fun, and the regular grocery store has
like
them
a little
too.
bouquet
You don't
of
have to order
flowers
them.
in your Negroni. Here you go, hon.
Oh, honey, it's beautiful. Thank you.
Cheers.
It's absolutely beautiful.